people on Instagram.
Not the type of famous you want to be. अभी तो शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है. 20 years later, मैं रो देती अगर मुझे एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देने पड़ जाते. Some things just never change, you know. Can't talk. Bye. Sit on the motor. Look at light. We go, you go, we follow you. बहुत blue है पानी. Random man keeps staring.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I cannot believe that I'm saying this. एक साल के contemplation के बाद I'm finally shooting a YouTube video, and that too my first trip with my best friend to Pondicherry. I am so excited to take you guys along with me, and I hope that I do a decent job at this because मुझे नहीं पता, I have no idea how to vlog or anything, but I'm gonna try to capture as much as I can. And I hope this actually goes up because मुझे नहीं पता, even if what if I shoot and what if I don't like it and what if I just end up not posting it. But if you're watching this, I did a good job and I did it, so I hope that you enjoy it. So if you're wondering what am I doing right now all desktop, I was actually shooting. It's one day before the actual trip begins. मैं अभी सारे outfits try कर रही थी. I was just wrapping up all my content because I have taken up so much work before the trip because मुझे trip पे कोई काम नहीं करना है. And of course you're gonna get a lot of Instagram content, so you can just follow me. This is my handle. I will ask my editor to put it here somewhere. Okay, so yeah. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just trying on some outfit. This is a sneak peek of one of the most beautiful outfits that I'm ever gonna wear. It is so beautiful, and yeah, so let's go to Pondicherry. I feel like last year by the end of it मैंने बहुत ऐसे unpack किया है अपना bag that I know how to do it now. So this is what I'm doing, and it's 15 kgs. I'm allowed 15 kgs, and I think बहुत easily fit हो जाएगा because it's very very hot in Pondicherry, and I'm just taking a few clothes, and now I know how to not overpack. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow, and I will introduce you guys to my friend, and yeah, see you. Bye bye. Good morning guys, it's 4:30 in the morning and I'm so sleepy. I'm talking really quietly because my friend, she's still sleeping, but I need to get ready and look cute, and so let's get ready and look cute for the airport. So this is my outfit. So we are almost ready and our Uber is here, and it's still pretty dark out there, but we are on time and we don't have to hustle and rustle when we get there, so that's a good thing. So we are on the way to the airport, and I am going with my friend Hasrat. She's my childhood friend, and हमने बहुत last minute plan किया कि हम ये trip पे जा रहे हैं. She was like कि भाई कहीं ले जा मुझे. I was like चलो, and I didn't think कि हम जा पाएंगे, but here we are, and हाँ, we put it through and we're excited, and I hope that मैं vlog करूँ इसको, and if you're seeing this तो मतलब मैंने vlog किया है, but yeah, we are excited and we'll take you along. We're just reaching the airport in like next 5 minutes, and yeah. So we are done with the security check, and I'm so happy. मुझे लगा कि मेरा 15 kg से ऊपर जाएगा. So I was like, it was 14.5, and I'm very proud of myself क्योंकि मुझे पैकिंग करनी आ गई है. But मैं रो देती अगर मुझे एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देने पड़ जाते गलती से. But we got it, and now we have a lot of time to do nothing. And Chandigarh airport kind of sucks.
Oh wow!
Please do better.
While being here.
Please do better. Thank you. Cab, and it was so hot. It is so difficult here to like function. Like I just don't know how she's doing in it and a hoodie,
but ठीक है, we got the cab and now we are going to our Airbnb. It's supposed to be a good one. मतलब हमने बहुत सोच समझ के छांट इसने करी थी ज़्यादातर मेहनत, मैं तो गिव अप कर दिया था. And
It's like a villa with a private
beach, and it was so inexpensive. Like I don't know how she found it, and yeah, I'm super excited. And मतलब just we're gonna wake up and go to a private beach. Living the life, guys. मतलब in my head, अब पता नहीं वहाँ पे कैसा होगा. And I'll give you a tour. Okay, how we like it or not, and I'll also share all the details in the description, like however we find it, so that for your next trip you're sorted. And yeah, till then enjoy it. Is the room very to the point, but it's actually cute and I really like the view. So yeah, I don't know how we will get ready here, but I think we'll make it work. So we just checked into the villa. It's all right, it's decent, it's to the point, but the view is very nice. Like, let me show you the view from our balcony, and we look horrendous right now. We're so tired, but yeah. Because we haven't had a proper meal in a while, like सुबह से हमने कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. So we're gonna get ready so that हम एक ही बार निकलें, and then we're just going to go find cute cafes, maybe get some drinks if we want, and just hang out and I want to get really nice pictures in the beach, like in the sunset. So I hope like that happens, otherwise I'm going to cry. But yeah, let's go. All ready, and I'm wearing this cute little quad set from the clothing factory, and she is also all ready. Where is it from?
Savannah.
And you don't know this.
I don't know from. And
But it's a cute skirt. Sorry, it's a cute skirt. So yeah, black and white. So now हमने अभी we just got an Activa, and हमने बहुत ही चटक कलर लिया, एकदम blue और yellow में से हम लेंगे. And then now we're so hungry, and we're gonna eat some good food, click some cute pictures, and just enjoy vibe, and you guys are gonna vibe with us. So we are at this cafe named The Spot, and हमने बहुत सारी reels में देखा था, and this was the first thing we wanted to do, and we're super excited क्योंकि हमने सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. And we ordered coffee and food, and we're waiting for sunset ताकि मेरा camera बाहर आए, and then we click the bomb ass photos. So I'm going to be trying churros, although मैंने किए हैं try, but Pondicherry में पहली बार, and I love them. वैसे तो ऐसा लग रहा है मैं बहुत देर बाद यहाँ पे आके आज मीठा खा रही हूँ. So yeah, my trainer is going to hate me. Wow, fried and meetha. So we are done with the food, and it was 6 on 10, but we were hungry, so we had it. Now we are going to Pondi Marina Beach for some chill vibes and great pictures. And she's driving, and I am the passenger princess, of course. It's so nice. The weather is really nice now, and the sunset is beautiful, and I know the pictures are gonna turn out amazing.
A few moments later.
And हमने अभी photos की है, and इसकी photos अभी रहती है, and what pretty pictures. You have to see that on my Instagram. So I hope अच्छी photos आई हों.
The next day.
So I couldn't resist. So I came to the beach to walk alone, and I love this so much. I never want to leave, and I always imagined myself like walking alone on the beach. And it's 9 a.m. today, right now, and I'm just walking on the beach, thinking about life and what all I want to do this year differently. And this is so good. Yeah, it's so beautiful right now. I feel so at peace and so happy. I am all ready and dressed up, and we are going to this new cafe that we saw like online, and it looks so beautiful. Like yesterday, we were kind of disappointed from the cafe that we went to. Like it was so hyped up, but it just wasn't worth it. So I hope that this one is good because I'm really craving like a proper breakfast with coffee, avocado toast, and eggs and everything. So I'm very, very excited. I'm just waiting for my friend to get ready. She's in the washroom and she's gonna get ready for in like 15 minutes, and then we're gonna leave.
A few moments later.
So we are at this cafe that I was talking about, and हम 15 minutes late हो गए and we couldn't get the breakfast. So the avocado toast that I was raving about that I cannot wait to eat. I guess I have to wait to eat. So now we got sushi and dim sum with coffee. At least we got coffee. And do you wanna say something?
Hi.
So we just had food. It was really good. The sushi was amazing. And now we are going to the Promenade Beach to chill for a while. And I've heard it's really pretty. So we were thinking. अभी हमने photos लिए हैं. Everything here is really beautiful. Like very, I would say beachy. Okay, so we are at the beach. It's so nice. It's so pretty. बहुत blue है पानी.
A few moments later.
So we came back to the villa and we have dressed now, changed.
I haven't dressed yet.
She is still in the process. But now we are going to this yacht or this boat thingy, and I'm excited because again, cute pictures. And this is what I'm wearing. I'll show you later. It's a very risky dress, but for the photos we're gonna do it. And ये मेरी friend की है. This is my friend's, and yeah. So I really like how this looks like it looks like wet hair. So मैंने इसमें बहुत सारा gel डाला है to make it look like this, and I think it looks nice. So we are here at the mangrove boating thingy, and we got a private boat because बहुत सारे लोग थे वहाँ पे, and we wanted to click pictures, and there were a lot of men. लड़के थे भाई सारे यार, and then I was like, we are ready. This is the outfit. It's giving construction. It's giving we are building a man. We go, you go, we follow you. That's how we're talking. So
और हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोल
हमें हमारी इंग्लिश भी टूटी फूटी हो गई है. Like proper इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं. So
You can say hi, she's vlogging.
vlogging. So we just came back. How did you like it?
Loved it.
We really liked it. I think मैं सोच के नहीं गए थे.
हाँ, we
But
were
we were
expecting,
enjoying
but
it. We were
so
enjoying
good.
it. It was so nice and
Very calm vibe.
हाँ, exactly what we needed.
Yes.
So and also वहाँ पे जो
Exactly
the
what we
captain,
came for.
the
Exactly what we
captain,
came
they
for.
were really nice. They were like waited for us जब हमने 10,000 photos लेनी थी. So they waited for us and everybody was really nice और हमें मज़ा आया. So yeah, so it was a nice experience. Now we are going to find a cute cafe and I'll eat something and then we'll see where the day takes us and I'll take you along. अभी हम जा रहे हैं Aurovilla. It's quite far and it's a 30-minute ride.
It's like other part of one.
Other part of Pondicherry जो हमने नहीं एक्सप्लोर किया है because अभी मैं देख रही हूँ there's this different side of the city जो हमने नहीं देखी थी and my hair is not looking aesthetic right now but photos बहुत अच्छी है. So we are eating pizza. We're very hungry. Can't talk. Bye. Okay, so we just came back to White Town. The food there was horrible and it was not worth the drive, but the drive was really beautiful. Now we are here to have gelatos. I love gelatos and I hope this place does not disappoint because Tanto Pizzeria was really bad.
A few moments later.
हमारी हालत एकदम ख़राब हो चुकी है बट है, और हम मिनीसो जा रहे हैं. मीसो इज़ रियली रियली नाइस. लेट मी शो यू. तो हमने नाना करते थोड़ा शॉपिंग कर लिया है. We are back and we are tired and I have to remove my makeup. अब freckles actually मिट्टी लग रहा है.
भाई आज अच्छे लग रहे हैं
But हाँ, yes. तो we are going to chill now and do nothing because we are
पहले
so
मुझे वो
tired.
फोटोज व्हाट्सएप कर.
हाँ कर रही हूँ.
सब
And
छोड़ के.
we're going to exchange photos अभी. लेन देन चलेगा हमारा. If you have not seen my photos, you have to check my Instagram here
17 Pro Max.
and go and बताओ that you came from YouTube. कि मेरे YouTube पे 3 लोग जो मुझे देख रहे हैं. Rooting for me. So tomorrow is the last day. आज हम ना चर्च गए ना मंदिर गए. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. And I think it's gonna be pretty chill. Because we want to wrap it up early because next day early morning we have to leave for Chennai because then it's a flight and we're gonna get home. So bye bye, good night for tonight. We went to the temple but that wasn't the temple that we wanted to go, so we'll go to another one and then we'll go to the church. But I was so hungry, so we finally found like a place where they serve like North Indian food, so we had like North Indian food. Exactly what I needed because South Indian खाने से नहीं हो रहा था मुझसे. I wasn't able to survive on South Indian food. We just had food and I had watermelon juice as well. It was okay, but yeah, it's a very nice place. Like we've been sitting and talking for a while.
A few moments later.
Okay, so you guys need an update because we slept. हम घर आए and it was so sleepy and it was so hot that we just decided to sleep. I ordered some coffee and I slept after drinking coffee. तो हम बहुत टायर्ड थे एंड वी हैड लाइक नथिंग मच टू डू टुडे. लाइक व्हाटएवर हमारे आइटनरी में था हमने पहले 2 दिन कर लिया था. सो राइट नाउ आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू सन तो सेट हो चुका है. वी हैव गॉटन रेडी टू क्लिक पिक्चर्स एंड हमारा जो बीच है नेक्स्ट टू आवर विला, सो हम उधर ही जा रहे हैं बिकॉज इट्स एम्प्टी एंड वी कैन गेट गुड पिक्चर्स. एंड दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट. इट्स प्रीटी सिंपल बट आई लाइक इट. It's a tank top, skirt, and I've accessorized it. So let's go take some pictures.
Are you alright? Making sure you sing before you swing. Of course the revolution will be televised if we.
So we are at Bay of Buddha and abhi hum dinner karenge and then we are going to explore the city more because this is our last night and we are kind of feeling sad because we were just talking ke how attached we have gotten. So we're excited to eat. I hope this place is good. Online बहुत अच्छे reviews थे but वो बहुत सारी जगहों के थे. So I hope this does not disappoint us. So we are at the rooftop and it's so beautiful. One of the most beautiful places जहाँ पे हम खाना खाने आए हैं. And I just hope that the food is good, the drinks are good, and then we are having fun. The dessert. Are you excited? She likes non-sweet desserts. पता नहीं कैसे. But so we have matcha, tiramisu thingy, and I hope it's nice. Otherwise, she's paying for the entire dinner.
Do you face the moments that you're in? Alternatively, take it on the chin, or do you punch the nose right off your day? Better lace 'em up and face 'em down. Sometimes.
The next day.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. रात को हम नाचे and then बहुत नाचे and then we just came home and crashed. क्योंकि आज मैं जल्दी सुबह उठा था and it's 6 AM in the morning and the driver is waiting downstairs and we're leaving for the airport. And yeah, that was the end of the trip and it was really, really nice. Did you like it?
Loved it.
Loved it. I think we have a taste of it now and we're gonna do this every month. Every month. So we are landing in Chandigarh. Back to basics, back to life. No more beach until